Lavender is considered the universal oil. It is known to help reduce stress and to calm. It sterilizes wounds and burns, promotes fast healing and can help reduce scarring, prevent irritation and inflammation from insect bites, sunburns or even bee stings with this oil's soothing, antihistamine compounds. Use lemon for a great disinfectant. It is great for cleansing and also to boost mood. A little lemon in water helps prevent flu or cold symptoms. Lemon helps promote a healthy liver and digestive system, and also helps lessen petrochemicals in the body. It is not advisable to use lemon, or any other citrus oils, on the skin if you are planning to get some sun exposure. Lemon is also great for disinfecting and cleaning objects. Thus, they are commonly found in commercial cleaning agents. Peppermint, similar to lemon, promotes healthy digestion and helps soothe nausea. Likewise, it helps prevent pains and aches in the muscles, headaches and fevers, and may even reduce menstrual cramps. This strong oil may also perk you up, clear mental fog and increase concentration. Tea tree, also known as melaleuca, is the oil that has been used throughout history because of its amazing antibacterial, fungal and viral properties. It is perfect for soothing and healing. Use it in homemade Neosporin to help disinfect skin irritations. It helps relieve discomfort from slivers. Try using this oil to help support the immune and respiratory systems, too. Oregano aids in your natural immune system support. It can help boost a healthy immune system by battling off cold and flu symptoms, while also aiding against yeast and bacterial infections and inflammation. Oregano may also help with gastrointestinal issues. Use myrrh to help with infections, and it acts as a pain reliever. It's helpful for cuts, bruises and swelling. It supports good blood circulation and tissue regeneration. Myrrh is an astringent. Use it for antibacterial and pain relief. Helichrysum, like lavender, is an emergency treatment essential oil must-have. It's perfect for swelling and bruising, and it is generally utilized as a painkiller because of its pain-relieving properties when used as a part of a cool pack. It might help to mend wounds, sprains and swelling. Utilize lemongrass with citronella as a bug repellent. It is also helpful in soothing cramps and sore muscles. Lemongrass essential oil functions well as a natural cleansing agent, and it also helps keep your feet warm during winter. That's why I keep this in my homestead. It works for us and my husband loves it. Frankincense is perfect for inflammation and more. It enhances the effects of other oils, lessens inflammation, supports skin tissue regeneration and may even relieve headaches. Use it for skin ailments, too. Frankincense also relieves restlessness, like peppermint. Rosemary, similar to peppermint and frankincense, is a mentally stimulating oil. It also prevents hair loss.